Welcome back, everybody. Sive is here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's have a look on the gold market. So if on the euro currency, as we discussed today in the video, overall picture looks really blurred, without any clarity, some indecision performance. On the gold market, picture looks better. Well, indirectly, it also supports the things that we discussed on the euro, that some upward might happen on the euro as well. And now we have, additionally to the dollar index picture, we also have the picture on the gold, as you can see. So just recently we talked about this candle, where on the retail broker chart it's supposed to be the bearish grabber. That was not confirmed by the futures. Now today, this candle that is not the grabber on the retail broker chart, but if you take a look at the futures, you could see that we've got the grabber. If we combine this pattern that we have on a gold together with the dollar index, which has a bearish pattern here, suggesting drop of the dollar, they fit to each other perfectly, right? So that increases the chances that here we could get some appreciation. But even without the grabber, if you take a look at the intraday charts performance, you could see that actually here is hand shorts is forming that we talked about. It takes really good shape. Our plan was to enter around the 44.60, 44.80 area. This plan worked perfect. Take a look at the hourly chart drop. It was exactly to 44.55 area. 618 support. Here was even second chance for position taking, and market right now is going up. So combining together with all this stuff, probably market has to reach at least this top. I'm not sure, or better to say, we can't be sure that we will get the classic performance with the hand short that will work perfectly, and we will get this big upper A, B, C top deep pattern, maybe somewhere to this 46.80 area. It would be nice, but at least we have the pattern that suggests the taking out of the top. Whether it will be just short-term breakout, some wash and rinse or something, but at least we have some room for upward action. So if you will decide to take any positions here, probably you could just keep an eye on this most recent upward action, trying to get some deep minor retracement on it for position taking, and stay aimed on the possible taking out of this top. That's actually the only setup that we have on the gold market, because overall shape still is a retracement. On the daily chart, you can see this kind of the consolidation reaction on this ABCD pattern, as which is suggested the pullback here should happen. Besides, another reason, as we mentioned in the weekly report, that market stands at oversold, even on the monthly chart. So that's why the pullback here is quite reasonable from this point of view as well. So that's actually what we have currently on the gold. Let's see how market will behave with this trading stop. Once the target will be completed, we will see what will happen next.